Morning class today. Our topic is solutions. Before we discuss the solution, we should know the meaning of two terms, that is solute and solvent. What is solute? The substance which is dissolved in a liquid to make a solution is called solute. Whereas solvent is a liquid in which solute is dissolved. Usually, substance present in lesser amount in a solution is called solute, whereas the substance present in greater amount in a solution is called solvent. Please note, solute is called dispersed particle and solvents are called dispersional medium. Solutions can be classified into aqueous solution and non-aqueous solution also. Now, what are aqueous solution? The solution made by dissolving various solutes in water are called aqueous solution. Whereas on the other hand, the solute made by dissolving solutes in organic liquids, they are known as non-aqueous solution. Now, what are organic liquids? Any liquid that contain volatile organic compounds like acetone, benzene, carbon tetrachloride. Let us start with solution. Already you have studied about solution that a solution is homogeneous mixture, means that the mixture is the same throughout. Let us study the properties of solution by taking example of salt and water. Now, if we shake salt in a water, in this salt is a solute and water is a solvent. Salt seems to be disappears in water. We get a salt solution. Here the dissolved salt particle cannot be seen even with a microscope. Salt does not settle down even on keeping the solution for a long time. Thus the salt solution is a true solution. Why? Because the particles of salt are mixed so well with water that we cannot distinguish one from the other. And this true solution is also called molecular solution. Why? Because the size of dissolved salt particles is same that of the molecules. So it is also known as molecular solution. Salt solution does not scatter a beam of light passing through the solution. It means that we cannot see the path of beam of light inside the solution because the particles are so small that they cannot reflect light rays falling on them. The solution is stable also. Why? Because the particle of salt present in solution do not separate out on keeping. Now, we will now state some of the properties of solution which are as follows. A solution is a homogeneous mixture. A size of solute particles in a solution is very small. The particles of a solution cannot be seen even with a microscope. The particles of a solution pass through the filter paper, so a solution cannot be separated by filtration. The solution is stable. The particle of solute present in solution do not separate out on keeping. A true solution does not scatter light. Thank you.